Hey there, internet world. Perhaps like myself, you may have recently, upgraded to the new versions of Windows 10, and I had a horrible experience with it. I utilize my computer. I work from home, so my computer is very important to me, as I'm sure perhaps like yourself. And what I did, I tried everything, connecting a second screen, HDMI. What happened for me is when I upgraded, my screen was completely black. I was running Windows 8.1, did the upgrade. I got a new computer, everything was running great, and then everything went black. And as you could probably already see, there's a lot of people on the internet saying to try this, try that, different fixes, and nothing would basically work for me. I couldn't even do Control Alt Delete F8 commands going into safe mode. Nothing was working. I was eventually able to get my computer into safe mode, but once in safe mode, I couldn't do anything. I couldn't roll back. So eventually what I wanted to do was go back to Windows 8.1, which you see on my screen right now. I'm back. Everything is working great. They can have that Windows 10. On top of that, I have an HP computer. They wanted to charge, to assist me. A lot of computer repair people are running around want to charge people $100, $200 to do it. I found a fix that worked for me, and I'm going to show you how it can work for you. Now, what I eventually did, I just rolled back to version 8.1. That's what I wanted to do. And I looked all over the internet till I finally found this article, and I'm going to attach the link here in the video in the description file area so you can find it yourself. Now, what you want to do, just go through, read this. There's two different ways to do this. If you have access to your screen and you can see it, it'll be pretty easy for you. If not, like myself, you're going to have to do something a little different, because eventually you want to get back to the settings area where you can choose update and recovery. Now, for a lot of you like myself, I know a lot of people, we see the post out there, people having issues with a black screen, nothing is working. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to do something a little different. And I'm going to show you this. When you get to your start screen, right here in the bottom right, you're going to see the little power button. You're going to hold down your shift key, click on that power button, and then hit start. Continue to hold down the shift key. This is important. Once you do that, a box is going to pop up. It's going to go into a different mode, and you're going to have some options. And what you want to do is choose the troubleshoot option. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky. Also, then you're going to go to advanced options. Now, what you're going to be looking for is this icon, go back to previous build. When I got to this point, this icon didn't show up. Thanks a lot, Microsoft. It was hidden in another little link, and the link basically said, additional recovery options. It was very hard to see, wasn't highlighted, so I didn't even see this. And I went back and forth a few times. So what you're looking for, go back to previous build. If it's there for you the first time, great. Just click on that. It'll ask you a few questions and walk you through back to, rolling back to your previous, version, whatever you had. In my case, 8.1. Everything was saved. Everything was great. And this only lasts for 30 days. So you want to make sure that you do this right away if you want to go ahead and roll back. Now, also what I want you to understand, when I did click on this, because I was up like about 16 hours trying to find a fix, trying different things. I mean, there's so many different things people were saying out there. It could be the graphics cards, and there are people out there now, they're deleting their graphics cards, different things, and they're having a lot of issues. Now, what happened for me after 16 hours, once again, of trying this, troubleshooting, to get to this point, when I did start the rollback process, I went to bed, and like about 8 hours later when I got up, my computer was still saying starting. It gave me the message going back to, previous version, but it was still saying starting. The little thing was turning. So what I did then, I just powered off, and then when I powered back up, it just started, reloading everything back to the previous version. That may not happen for you. It may just work smoothly the first time, but if not, what I did, I powered down, then when I powered back up, it just started, reverting everything back, rolling back to the previous version, and then everything came online great. What I also recommend, this is free, go to filehippo.com. And on here, you want to download the C cleaner. This is a great cleaner you can use. This is what it looks like. It's free. And you can run the cleaner. It'll clean up all your registry errors and everything, get all the junk, any bloatware, anything that happened, in the install for you to make sure your computer is up and running smooth. Myself right now, you can see I'm back on track. CPU, all my numbers are right. And I'm just so thankful for this, because I know people out there just bought their computers and they're spending $100, $200 for people to fix it, back it up, and you don't have to do all that. Once again, my name is Andre. Hey, I just want to thank you. Hopefully this works for you. As I said before, I use my computer to work from home. I help people all over the world earn a great income working from home. If you're looking to add to your income or even replace your income, definitely check out my 2 websites. I'm looking forward to helping you. And once again, hey, hoping everything goes great for you. I will put the link for the information here on how to do this in the description. And I'm wishing you prosperity in life.